What's up, guys? Today Michael is here and Matco Day is about to get on. Super early in the morning, so let's go see what he's got. He didn't waste no time today, did he? Early. You done found something, Bill?
That's it. So I found a bunch that I want, but pretty cool shirt, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Very nice shirt. That look good on you, Bill.
Wrong color.
Ain't nothing wrong with paint for breast cancer.
Well,
Hey,
considering it's for the cause.
Now you couldn't wear that to town on Saturday night.
Hey.
A regular pink shirt. You know.
I'd sport it though.
You man enough to pull it off, huh? I believe that. You ain't gonna pull the trigger on the file set this week?
No.
A nice set. How you like them redbacks?
I love them. Had a guy the other day. he's got a broken foot, and the doctor told him that, you know, the diabetic shoes are real comfortable and stuff like that. But the shoes he said he was wearing was good, but he wanted to try those on. So I bought him a pair of 12s, and he put them on. He called me that night and told me to order him another pair. That was the most comfortable boots he had ever wore.
Wow.
With a broken foot, he said he did not hurt that night. So he ordered another pair of boots. He's actually a fan of your video, so he's probably gonna see this one. But yeah, he's a really good guy. So
And they must be comfortable if a broke foot feels good in them. That's nice. I'm gonna have to try a pair of them, Bill.
I don't know too much to make a broken bone feel good.
well, I don't know so much about making the bone feel good, but as long as it can keep some of the pressure off.
Yeah.
That's a nice slide hammer set.
I've sold about 4 of those, and everybody really raves about them. They really like them. I've got me a toolbox ordered. I can't wait to get in just so I can put some stuff on it and showcase some stuff. But yeah, I saw it in use a couple times, and they really like it. So.
Well, tell us about the new scanner.
So the new scanner is pretty much awesome in every way. It is going to have live tech to tech to where you can ask questions over that as long as you're both logged in. So if you're stumped on it, you can actually call another tech and get help there. It's going to have wiring diagrams, factory wiring diagrams in it that's colored. So anybody that's ever traced a wiring harness knows that if it's all black and white, you're going to get halfway through the page and lose it and get mad at it. So this one's actually colored, so you can trace the colors down. It's going to have data lists that when you're looking at it, if it's incorrect, if the reading's not right, it's going to show up in red. So you can go to that. Yeah, so you can go to it and find out, okay, well, why is this like that? It's going to have it to where when you hook up to it, it automatically scans the VIN. You can also find out about TSBs on it. It's going to be one of the best on the market.
Is it going to have to be hooked to Wi-Fi for it to work?
Yeah, it will have to have some Wi-Fi hooked to it to do the tech-to-tech and some of that. But in this day and time, everything's going to Wi-Fi. So if it makes my job easier, I'll use Wi-Fi. But I'm getting some literature and stuff on it like that, so I can really show a whole lot on it. But we got to play around with it at our meeting and stuff, and it was the top of the top. If I was a tech, I would want it right away. And for the price point, it's great.
Is it a yearly subscription, or how does it work?
I think the tech to tech and stuff like that is a yearly subscription. But with all that it does, I would gladly pay it. And like I said, I didn't educate myself just a whole lot on it because I didn't have one on the truck, but I'm gonna get some of the literature and try to get us a demo to where we can actually hook up and show some stuff here and stuff like that.
Well, is that one gonna do light medium truck too, or is it just pretty much cars only?
I think it's gonna end up doing all. I know they're in the process of getting an HD box to be able to hook up to it as well. So when it does that, it'll be able to do both.
So like HD is in Class 8 trucks?
Yeah, I believe so.
Wow. Which,
like I said, I'm gonna get my literature on that and stuff before I just say a whole lot. I mean, but the few features that I did see of it, it was really great. And I know they said they're getting the HD box. It's not capable as of right now, but they plan on within the next couple of months having it capable of hooking up to an HD box and be able to really go away with it and do everything.
That would be nice. Have one scanner that can do a F250 or a Peterbilt.
Yeah, it's going to be the top of the top. They've really pulled out the notch and went above and beyond on this one. So it's just going to be fun.
I know if it can do F250s and Peterbilts,
yeah,
I think y'all will be the only one that can do it all.
Yeah, and like I said, we'll get the literature and we'll really study up and make sure and confirm and all that. But I do remember about an HD box. They said it's not compatible as of yet, but it will be within the next couple of months. They're having to work out some technical bugs on it as far as the HD box goes, but they'll get it reined in and really be able to go with that.
That'll be good. That'll be handy, wouldn't it, Bill?
Yes, sir.
Instead of having to go get
3 or 4
scanners all the time.
Yep.
And code reader and all of that stuff.
Just about have to have a separate toolbox to keep all the scanners in.
Mm-hmm. So what you want to show off today? What you got good today?
One thing that I did pick up at the meeting, because I really liked it, was the crank and camshaft tool. We'll open it up and show it off. Has a lot of your different seal pullers and stuff like that. Kind of the new tool for me this week. Has the 1/2" impact to play with, but it sold yesterday, so that's okay with it.
That's what you want them to sell.
That's right. I'm fine with getting new stuff as long as it sells quick like that. Christmas every day being a tool man, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So again, I've always been a fan of the cases. That way everything's just not laying around. But you can see there we've got several of our different pullers and installers and stuff like that in it. So I really like this set just because of the variety that it gets. And they also have a master kit that goes along with it that you get even more of the accessories that go with it.
Right.
So it makes them tedious jobs of getting that stuff done just right a little bit easier. So I really like sets like this.
I like cases. It keeps everything together and you can always tell what ain't back in there when you put it up.
That's right, when somebody borrows it and it don't come back.
Mm-hmm.
Heard a guy the other day tell me he was going to start making people sign his stuff out on a sheet.
No, that's right. No doubt.
I don't know how well that's going to work for him, but he says he's going to do it, so we'll see.
That's a nice set. What's that part number on that one?
Part number on this one is right here in big blue letters, so I'll just do it like that.
Because somebody is going to want to know. And there they got it. Well, that is cool. Is y'all's scrapers lifetime warranty?
The boards are lifetime warranty. The reels are not, but they've got a new blow blade style wheel on them, as you can see there. And we have a lot better luck out of those. They hold up a lot better. And I think to get the wheels, it's like $24, so you're not out a whole lot.
Money then.
So, but yeah, the boards are lifetime warranty on them.
Have you got one of the Power Pros and it's got the short finder in it? You seen those?
I don't have it that has a short finder in it right now. I have it I haven't seen that. But
Oh, I got one. That thing is handy. Man, it's handy as a pocket screwdriver. That thing's amazing. You just hook it up and you run down the wire and the light will come on if you need to go the underway or go backwards, and then it beep when you get over the short. Man, it's nice.
Well, they almost just making the tech business too easy, right?
Yeah. This show makes it easier finding a short. So you thinking bits will be in this week?
I think they're gonna be in this season.
This week ain't a big deal on them. Last year was a pretty good deal on that set, you know. Alright guys, I'm going to turn this thing off and we're going to get Michael paid, and we'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, as you see, Michael had a lot of stuff on the truck today. We got a few things ordered, but it hadn't come in yet, so hopefully we'll get it in. But anyway, y'all heard him talking about the new scanner that Matco's got coming out, so that should be pretty interesting to see, especially if it can do everything from a Honda Accord up to a Peterbilt or Kenworth truck. We'll probably be looking into one of those. But anyway guys, that's my Matco video today. Michael comes super early. I had just opened the doors when he pulled up, so he is bright and early this morning. So there we go. Hope you guys have an excellent weekend. Sorry about all that. Diesel's playing with a bottle. Anyway, I hope you guys have an excellent weekend this weekend. Be safe. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you a dime, and you will always get the newest, freshest, latest content that we got to offer. You guys take care, and we will catch you next time.